shortcuts, text replacement, snippets, lookup, quick look, mouse keys, slow keys, sticky keys, and now new feature called quick keys. Are you getting lost in all of these Mac features? Then you have found the right channel. In this video, I want to have a look at the new macOS Tahoe feature, which is called quick keys. Quick keys are new shortcuts for Spotlight that let you trigger action by typing short commands, such as typing SM to send a message or AR to add a reminder. So its whole purpose is to shorten a word or multiple words into a simple text shortcut. Quick keys are managed entirely inside Spotlight. There is no dedicated section for that in system settings. So let me show you how to set new quick keys shortcuts. First, you need to open Spotlight with Command Space shortcut or by using the magnifier icon in the menu bar. And here switch to Actions. That's the third bubble. Here search the action you would like to trigger and then add a quick key combination right next to it. Spotlight quick key shortcuts can have between 2 to 12 characters. You can use letters, you can use numbers, but no punctuation. But for the speed and ease of use, I would recommend using shortcodes. In the description of this video, I'll give you a list of 25 different examples for macOS Tahoe quick keys. But that's just for your inspiration. It's just examples I made up. But every user is different, using different applications, so you will also be using different shortcuts for various actions. You can also help me fill up these quick keys examples by sharing a comment with me and with other viewers. And if you enjoy these short tutorials, then click on the subscribe button, because I have a lot more coming soon. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.